Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I like to make my peanut butter pie. Of course I use soy nut butter because I would die if I used peanut butter, but it tastes phenomenal. You can substitute the soy nut butter for actual smooth peanut butter and it will be phenomenal. If you want to see how to make this really easy and delicious pie, make sure you keep on watching. Alright, so to make this, you're going to need a 6-ounce pie, like a chocolate pie. I bought mine, you can make it, but I am too lazy. You're going to need some honey, some whipping cream. I actually bought a light one, but you can use regular. This was just an accident. You're going to need either soy nut butter or peanut butter. I have a peanut allergy, obviously I have to use soy. Some semi-sweet chocolate chips, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. So into my bowl, I went ahead and added my soy nut butter. And if there's anybody out there wondering what I use this. It's called Wow Butter. It's peanut free. It's really amazing. I obviously can't tell you whether it tastes like peanut butter or not, but those who have tried it said they can't tell the difference. So I think it's pretty good. To this, you are going to add a little bit of honey. I would say about 3 to 4 tablespoons. I just eyeball it, but whatevs. You're going to do vanilla and just a small pinch of salt. And I know what you're thinking, peanut butter is usually salty, but this really helps to enhance the flavors. Using my handheld mixer, I'm going to mix this till it's nice and combined. So everything is combined. What I'm going to do now is take half of my whipped topping, and this is 8 ounces, so you're basically going to take 4. And you're going to fold it into your peanut butter mixture. Now be patient, the peanut butter is hard, so it's going to take a minute, but just keep working it and everything will combine nicely, I promise you. So everything has come together nicely, and you can see it's really fluffy. This is what you're looking for, and I know it doesn't look like a lot, but I don't know about you, I don't like to eat like a mouthful of peanut butter, so this is just the perfect amount to kind of layer down into your pan, or your pie I should say. So all you're gonna do is pour it in here and just make it nice and even. So it's nice and even. To finish it off, I'm gonna use the other half of my whipping topping, and I'm just gonna cover the top. And I use the frozen one. If you use the one from the can, it's gonna deflate right away once you put it on. So use the frozen one, thaw it out, and then that will be your topping. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how my peanut butter pie works. I don't know why I have Peter on the brain, but anyways. And then, okay, that's not gonna work. To finish it off, I just do a little bit of chocolate chips. And you can do more or less peanut butter. You could do more of the whipped topping if you want, but I don't want to go into a sugar coma. So this for me is just perfection. You're going to let this sit in the fridge for a little bit, and then you can go ahead and enjoy. I hope you found this recipe fun. I hope you give it a try. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do so, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!